In this video, we are discussing two more problems of Newton's forward and backward interpolation. Let's consider the problem using Newton's interpolation formula. Find the value of y when x equal to 5.5. X and y values are given. X values are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and y values are 7, 11, 16, 22 and 29. We have to find a y value corresponding to the x value 5.5. Here 5.5 is near to the end value, so we use backward interpolation formula. Here given that x0 minus nh is equal to 5.5. In backward interpolation method, we consider x0 as the last value 7. So x0 equal to 7 and here the width h is equal to 1. Substituting these values, we get n is equal to 1.5. Next, draw the difference, forward difference table. In backward interpolation also, we use forward difference table, but the values taken, last values are taken as y0, delta square y0, etc. So, first column x values, second column y values, delta y is the first forward difference. 11 minus 7, 4, 16 minus 11, 5, 22 minus 16, 6. Similarly, find delta raised to up to delta raised to 4y. Since delta raised to 4y contain only one value, we can stop. So, the backward interpolation formula is f of 5.5 is equal to y0 minus n into del y0 plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y0 minus etc. Here del y0, del square y0 etc. are the backward difference. Here del y0, in backward interpolation we take del y0 as the last value of delta y, del square y0 as last value of delta square y, and del cube y0 as last value of delta cube y, and del raised to 4y as last value of delta raised to 4y. Substituting all these values, we get value 18.875. Next, consider the problem. From the following table, estimate the number of students who obtained marks between 40 and 45. Marks are given as intervals 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Number of students. Number of students getting 30 to 40 mark is 31, 40 to 50 mark is 42 and so on. First, we have to prepare a cumulative frequency table. Cumulative frequency table is drawn as marks less than. The values of x are taking upper limits of each interval. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Number of students. Number of students scoring marks less than 40 is 31. Here given that number of students got a 30 to 40 marks is 31. So we can say that number of students scoring marks less than 40 is 31. Next, number of students scoring marks less than 50 is 73. Here 40 to 50 range is 42 and 30 to 40 is 31. So from 30 to 50 total 73 students. Similarly, we can write number of students scoring less than 60 marks is 124. It is the sum of 31, 42 and 51. Similarly, we can write all the values. Next, draw the forward difference table. X, first column x value, second column y value, next delta y, delta square y, etc. Here we have to find the number of students who obtained marks between 40 and 45. So we have to find the marks, number of students got marks between 40 and 45. First we have to find marks scoring less than 45. So we have to find f of 45. F of 45 is equal to y0 plus n into delta y0 plus etc. Here x0 is equal to 40, h is equal to 10, substituting values we get n equal to 0.5. Substituting all these values we get 47.87, which means that number of students with the marks less than 45 is 47.87. We have to round it as 48. Number of students with the marks less than 40 is 31. We already know that. So number of students getting marks between 40 and 45 is 48 minus 31, that is 70. Okay, thank you.